This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to accept or deny permissions on your Android tablet for your different applications. So just go to the top right and go to settings. And we can very easily do this if we just go down to apps. So there's different ways you can do this as well, but if you know this specific app you're having an issue with, we can just go in here. Now you might be able to see permission manager. You can go here too. And you can do it by your different categories for your permissions, like locations. We can go in here, and let's say we want local weather. We can allow the permission for that every time. So it will be on the top down, we have this allowed. So you can do that by like maybe your camera permissions or something like that, your contact permission, microphone, etc. Otherwise, you can go to the specific app. So just go to see all. Let's say we're having an issue with Messenger for some reason. We can go to permissions under the app page, and then we can give it permission for our contacts or something like that. We can go to allow. Okay, so something like that. So you got your two different ways you can accept those permissions for location, camera, or like different services. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.